In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding Torrentio to Stremio and explain why it might be missing. Let's dive right in. Why is Torrentio missing from Stremio? If you are unable to find Torrentio in Stremio, it could be due to missing add-ons or outdated versions of the app. Torrentio is not automatically included, so you need to manually configure and install it. Follow these steps to add it successfully. Open any browser and go to stremio.com. Download the latest version of the Stremio app for your device. After downloading, install and launch the app. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to torrentio.strem.fun/configure. Once you land on the configuration page, click the Install button. It will prompt you to open Stremio. Select openstreamer.exe if it asks for permission. After installation, the Torrentio add-on will be added to your Stremio dashboard. Now you know how to manually add the Torrentio add-on to Stremio in just a few easy steps.